perhaps anyone can say hi. What excites you? What are you working on? Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
How is everyone here? Is everyone here? Is everyone okay?
I am personally alright. Bwete.
Yes. And so actually, when you've talked about, you've asked about what we're working upon. I'm only sharing an experience today. Like I was trying out so many things, and I had some bug that I was able to debug. So that feeling alone, you know how it is if you're a developer, you've been there. It was really a good one. It was really a good one to, okay, like the fact that you feel that you're stuck and then you've been able, maybe you've consulted some few forces and then you come up with a solution on your own. It's a great feeling, you people. Yes, so I only wanted to share.
Awesome, awesome. Hey, hey. Yeah, that's awesome to hear. Anything from Mwanje?
Hello everyone, I've just joined. I don't know if someone has already shared what they're working on. I don't know.
Yeah, waiting to hear from you. What is happening?
Nothing much. Kakoza, the other time I showed you someone from the event. Did he reach out to you?
I saw him when you showed him to me. So yeah, I didn't hear from him again.
Okay. It was some guy. We had some very interesting ideas. He was saying he has been making research on building Africa's digital coin, like for 4 years. He didn't have any technical knowledge, but he had some evidence to show that he has actually been working for the on these things. And then I was like, this guy would benefit from getting some technical background. Then I don't know, maybe he was not serious with it because I shared your contact with him. I don't know.
Yeah, we shall just wait and see. Probably. Yeah, but it's awesome. It's awesome. Otherwise, how is the going?
Yeah, the going is. Do you have any slots on site? Do you have any slots available?
Yes, we have. We can have an arrangement for that.
Like, what if someone is not? I have my friend. Is a medic, but I don't know how to say it, but he wants to really join this thing. He doesn't have a lot of technical background, but he is learning actively. Like he knows some few things here and there. Could
Okay.
there be
Does he have?
sort of
Can he
a
be?
place for him because he has the commitment?
Yeah, that's the biggest. If he has the commitment, then we can probably have
Hmm.
some interviews and yeah, for the next 10 weeks, you can be here.
Okay, okay. So you have to first interview him, eh?
Yes, we have to just like have an
A
interview
conversation.
conversation. And
Okay, Who is sharing today? Is he a girl or a boy? I saw Agri.
Today, today is supposed to be Agri, but we are also waiting for him since he traveled.
He's not among the on-site people.
He's actually on his own side, but he got some emergencies, I think, yesterday. Yeah, but he said he will be on, so probably Emma is reaching out.
Yeah, you guys are welcome. Welcome, everyone. So today, Abdul was supposed to share. Was supposed to showcase his project rather. But I just reached out to him, and he told me he won't be able to make it. Mm, yeah, that's the information I have.
Okay, oh, so probably Bwete. Yeah, maybe is there anyone who can really show? Because I think Bwete has something interesting.
Mm, yeah, I believe someone should share some.
I don't know, but what I've been working on is not yet accomplished. So I don't know. Maybe I share and we see.
I think you can share the progress and then we see. But your microphone is a bit down. Hey, volume. Volume. Sawa. Kwa microphone. Otherwise, yeah. Yes, I think from I can see your screen. Is everyone seeing Michael's screen? Personally, I see it.
Actually, this is what I've been working on.
Your microphone seems to be... Take a microphone.
Are you able to hear me?
Again on Discord.
Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me?
We cannot hear you. I think with your microphone. Because just volume.
So can you listen to me right now?
Like microphone here off. Oh, once. Are you on? CN.
Hello. Guys,
Inaongeza volume.
hello, hello. Yeah, okay. So as I was saying, for me, what I've been working on is not yet accomplished. Yeah, my data is zero on see, and let me try to share it with you. Yeah, can you see my screen, everyone? You can't.
For me, I can't see it.
You can see.
For me, I can see his screen.
Can you see my screen?
Manuel, do you see his screen? Hello? Do you people see his screen? I think I see it well. Do you hear me?
Vian, are you saying something? I can't hear you.
Hey.
I see
In
your
the source
mic is
folder,
unmuted.
Okay.
as you can see, it's an empty project. So we'll create everything from scratch. And in the public folder, we have all the images we are going to be using during this tutorial. And at the end of this video, I'll add here the completed version.
I've been trying to actually make it's a currency converter. Though actually I just have for now I have a display, and I've tried to be putting some JavaScript in it because me I'm not actually more in the contracts. I can only do this. So I've been trying to put some JavaScript, though it's not yet working properly.
Ntatukuwulira. Sebo, simanyi lwaki temumpulira. Ono we tumuwulira nze nga nvaako.
Let's see what we have.
Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Version of the project, and it will be open source. You can use it anywhere you
Guno lwakagyemu ndowooza ne kafuna obuzibu. Hello? Maria, do you hear me? Ako kakolera. Kyomperezeko kaliita. Yogera tulabe.
Hello?
Diana, I can't hear you.
Let me join again.
Mario Koya?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, now you're now audible.
Take a moment. I think if we cannot hear Bwete, then he can rejoin.
Hello? Yeah, okay. So what I was saying, so I think I gave everyone can see my screen.
Um, excuse me. So should uh, I think as Bwete is communicating, can communicate from here. Yeah, you communicate. Actually, you get it out. Oh, you get it out now. So you speak loud.
Okay. So as I was saying, for me, I was trying to actually make a currency converter. So yeah, like let me show you. Let me show you. It looks like this. And so far we have I may call it a template because I started it yesterday and I just want to try to add in some JavaScript because I think it's the only thing that is remaining here. And if someone can guide me on this, because I was trying to actually put in some JavaScript and it kind of failed because I don't understand it very well. I think Emmanuel, I think Emmanuel will help me on this and see how these things will combine so that we can get something. But so far, this is what I have for now. I just use JavaScript. I just use HTML and CSS. So I wanted to add in some JavaScript. So if someone can help me,
But I have a question.
yeah.
What is the essence of the icon currency converter? What is it
Icon currency
for?
converter.
What is it like?
No, the converter is just to help someone to know the currency because down here I put some currencies like the INR. This is for India, the USH, the Uganda currency. So I wanted to add in more on the options, and then so what I wanted to do is I wanted to add more on the currencies that I have here. Here you can see BTC and Ethereum. We have the TZ shilling, the Kenyan shilling. So I wanted to add more on my list. And what I wanted is that when I change something like here, like this one, so that even the flag changes, like right here. So that's why I need some help because for me, I can only stop there. That's where my knowledge actually ends. So I think Emmanuel can help me on that.
To
Uh,
change the flag.
okay. Michael, thank you very much. I think this is a good project. Yeah, it takes some work to build something like this. And yeah, for me to be able to help, maybe you could put your work on GitHub at least,
Mm.
so it's easy for contribution at least. It will be easier for me to contribute if you put it somewhere where I can see it and follow through your code. Otherwise, so far I think you've made good progress.
Okay. Hello. Yeah, I also really I commend like this work. Yeah, Bwete has been talking to me and he has been saying that at least by after here that's what is going to be done next, and I think or we do it here right now. Um,
Yeah, I think that would be awesome to debug right in session.
okay.
Not debug, but yeah, code.
All right. So I think yeah, we are going to do that. But I'm also thinking this actually has some good use cases. For example, if you want to know the exchange rates, maybe you're getting from some Chainlink oracles, and you want to know the exchange rates of crypto because crypto is very volatile. So few seconds can mean a lot, looking at trajectories and things like that. Yeah, so if you can know exchange rates between crypto and maybe country currencies, I think this is a good project. So let me see here if we can try to make sure that we put the work on GitHub. Do you have a GitHub account?
Yeah.
And,
About 29 people.
I think GitHub. Sembra quasi festivali.
Hello.
Hello.
I think I've missed something about the currency converter. Is it using any APIs? And what is it being built for?
Uh, Manuel, any replies? So from me, what I've seen, from the knowledge he has gathered, he felt like building the currency converter, and I think it is in his intention to use APIs. But so yeah, he's going to share the source on GitHub. I think create a repository. Maybe he can really give replies on that. That one. Just like put something no currency prices. Just put that for now. Is it public? Yeah. Do you have GitHub Git installed? Uh, um,
To just download the file, the folder, can't you go there?
you have all these three files.
No, the folder on the desktop.
You can run the folder, but you can create. So there are only these ones 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4. Okay. I think that one I can do. So the thing is called current converter. Create new file. So the one we first is index. Let me see. Create current converter.
JavaScript.
You can continue from there. Maria, I am just seeing your message. So I think that's the code so far.
Okay, so what I wanted was that I created some, like in JavaScript here, I created something, I created a variable here with some country codes and currency codes. So I wanted these codes to like add them here in addition to these ones the select. I wanted to add them here so that I can remove this. I can remove the option value, and then I use this variable here. So I tried to actually do it in the script. Look at me, I don't know the script. I don't know yet. So that's why I'm requesting anyone who knows the script to help me on that, assist me on that, so that I can see how it actually goes.
Any feedback?
Yeah, me, I was thinking that unless you are building that for study purposes, such that you learn and something, I think you should maybe find some API that can just do the conversion. Maybe I don't know why you are building it, but I think you can just find the APIs that can so that you can build a converter and it's functional. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Any other feedback?
I'd like to differ from what Manje is saying. Well, essentially, it's a learning process, and yeah, I believe building this from the ground up will help each of us understand some of these concepts better, so that when you're fetching an API and something fails, when you have this foundational knowledge, it's easy for you to test units and be able to debug. So yeah, much as an API may be efficient, I think it's okay if we take the time and do this from the ground up, see how it's done without having to to pick information from elsewhere, maybe source code. Although I still think we're going to need an API for something. But yeah, I believe the best we can do to build this from the ground, we should do it. Thank you.
All right.
And actually, for the API, what I was planning for the API was to actually, I needed an API that would help me in the like the currencies, to know the currencies, the update. Like the dollar is on this price, the BTC is on this price. Like when we exchange like the US dollar to Ugandan dollar at the current time, how much money like is there. So that's what I wanted actually from the API. But I personally wanted to actually get this done functional with the JavaScript and then the HTML CSS, so that I can involve in the API maybe at the like as a link, so that it could help me on the currencies to show me the updates. Yeah, and then so that was it.
All right. I think really, since as you've said, Manuel, this is a learning process. I think really Bwete needs some round of applause on the design. The design is sleek, and I think it is easy to use it for like mobile responsiveness. You don't need to touch many things. Probably this can be a challenge for each one of us to uh, take that design, maybe start from that design and then develop a working currency converter. Probably, yeah, we could give ourselves maybe a date or pre somebody, before another person brings their project, and then add in, then share GitHub, bring things together. Because as I've heard you were saying that this is how far it could go. Probably looking through codes of working things. Maybe if you've converted this HTML to React, and you could break that barrier that he has. I think that would be awesome. Otherwise, yeah, the design is really slick.
Yeah, you must have.
Any other feedback? So yeah, as we have seen, he has shared the GitHub. I think it is in the it is in this, so it is here, and I really like this chart, the way it keeps like information, so you can always come back and view in your free time. Yeah. Otherwise, do we have another sharing or something you would want to say? Maybe you added on something. Or like you're excited about sharing some cool thing. Maybe we could have you, and then we see how we can communicate to Agra and see his whereabouts. But yeah, that was good from you, unaware Michael. Yeah. Manuel, anything? I'm a sound doctor. Yeah.
Well, well, Mukatari,
Sivyono na
Mukatari has not.
Mukatare.
Mukatari hasn't made significant progress since the other time because there's some work that is pending on another issue. So I haven't found time to to make upgrades on it. But I was just thinking about the power of the tools that I was able to use in that very short time to build something like that. And I was thinking of how I could leverage those tools to create wealth elsewhere, in different fields. So I was sharing with Lian just yesterday that the power of the tool N8N as an infrastructure for building AI agents and automation is so powerful that I had already seen a use case in a different field. So I used to do virtual assistants back then, and I was helping someone just manage things around their schedule professionally. They were booking flights, they were organizing their emails, and putting things together for them to be able to run smoothly through their days, their weeks, and months. And I realized how powerful it is that you could just build this agent and offer it to them, maybe at a price, and in just a minute, not even a minute, in just a matter of seconds, with a prompt of simply a voice or maybe a text, they can do each of these things independent of the of someone that would have to be paid for them to be to for these things to be done for them. I mean, it is phenomenal how powerful the AI tool is, and I was imagining we should all think about it, and maybe in your different places, in your different with your different experiences in the different places that you've worked, there could be something that can be automated. And surprisingly, people don't know these things. It may look easy, but people do not actually know them. You can practically build your own an actual business around this. So if you have anything that you see people struggling with and it's automatable, take a moment, learn how to build an AI agent with a tool like N8N, and see how you could make money out of it. Because for me, I see it's real, and I mean, we're all here to make money. Who knows? After you create the agent, you could make a token for it. See where it goes. But yeah, I think we should all give it some thought.
Probably, if you see someone who needs it, we should give you a call. uh,
Obviously. So I'm planning to build agents for people in offices. So if you know someone in office and you have an idea of what troubles they are facing, maybe they have a backlog of emails that they haven't read, or they have a backlog of spreadsheets they haven't analyzed, and they're trying to catch up on time. Maybe they have calls they have to do every day, but they don't know how to organize their phone book and anything within the scope of an office that can be automated. I would love to hear feedback so I can know how to build something that is meaningful and usable.
okay, that's great. So yeah, before I forget, I think there is some Devrel who wanted to meet us. I think 4 p.m. on Wednesday. So let me write here 4 p.m. Wednesday. I think we shall have either Discord or Google Meet, and 5 p.m. we shall have a presentation. So 4 p.m. Wednesday. What we also want to do in the last like half is expand on opportunities, bring in very external, other external maybe builders, people we could talk to in case we need work and things like that. So yes, there is that. And as for me, actually, on the project I was working on, I can say we completed a back end. I think this morning. Yeah, and so the back end is simply this one. Yeah, it's taking a lot of time to load. I don't know for what reason, but hey, my screen is not visible. Um,
Yeah,
What?
it's not visible.
yeah, let me try to share. But no. Where is the sharing? So the sharing and the screen look the same. think it is visible now. Is it? Okay. Um, Hopefully it is working. So far the news platform, I simply built. I don't know that I should now call it a backend or something, but like where an admin can come, and the reason I was using Vite is because it is very quick. Like yeah, can come and as an admin you edit our posts and things like that. So you can also see the posts you've listed, read. Yeah, so um, I think I've finished both of them. This is hosted online. So I hosted both the backend and the frontend, backend written in Node.js, Express, and then frontend for the admin. So the next thing I'm going to do is simply write a frontend for the platform. Yeah, we want to have sort of an information platform where we can pass on a lot of things we would want to say, like to write from us. So yes, that's going to be my next thing. Yeah, that is it from last time I submitted.
Awesome, awesome.
Um,
Brian,
yes,
actually, everyone here. Me, I'm trying to work on some decentralized app.
but seems your
Though
voice
right
is a bit
now,
down.
hello,
Yes, we can hear you, but more down. Uh-huh.
Hello?
Yes, now it's clear.
Yeah, let me use Manuel's platform. Yeah, so me, I'm trying to work on a proof of participation decentralized app.
Okay.
And okay, okay, it's going to require users to participate over an event. So on their participation, there are some tokens that will be given to them. Yeah, it will kind of come up like a game or asking of a question and someone is able to answer and then you gift them. Yeah, so right now, I've only so far covered the token bit. Yeah, so I'm hoping that all other parts are complete on the time I'm to present. Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. 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 Yeah, so any other person who would want to have a word? Um,
Yeah, Vian, the guy
yes,
I was talking about, I have invited him here in this Discord and he has joined, and I think he's using Print Aaron. I don't know if he could have a word with you here. He's a
yes,
cool guy.
yes, Print Aaron. If you feel like you want to have something, you're welcome.
Uh,
Yes, we can hear you.
so, oh, that's fine. I really can't speak a lot now because I'm in up already. But I actually wanted to join because things you're look up to doing for my entire life. So I I got in touch with Mwanje, and he told me, Ronnie told me you guys were somewhere up, and I'm like, okay, welcome to join. So yes, they
Yes,
sent me a link.
it's awesome to have you. Probably you could join the Telegram as well. If you're not there, if you're there, then that's fine. So yeah, we
Okay.
meet here. I think Monday to Saturday. We are in the phase of people, showcasing projects. We call it projects walkthrough. Actually, we have already released the last session. So my session was not recorded. I don't know why. Like this, the screen was not recording, and so we started with yesterday's session of so yeah, and then we make iterations. What someone is working on, if someone needs to, get further, like it's an opportunity for everyone to showcase and also uh, get to be pushed further, or other people also to add on to what someone is building, like contribute. Yeah, so you're welcome. Feel free. Yeah, probably if you
Thank
need a
you.
slot, you can let us know and we get you a day. Yes.
Uh, the other
Okay,
thing
okay.
is,
Thank you.
Aaron, are you building something? What are you building?
As for now, not really. I can't say I'm building something, though I'm thinking on very many things, but I can't say I'm building something. Yeah, but I think since that's what you people here showcase different projects, I will have to get a project, and probably, but I'm not really so good at everything, so I will need to learn from you guys.
Okay, so when you say you can't say that you are building, does that mean you are building or you are not building?
I'm not building.
Oh, okay, okay. I think you should get building now, because I think you have what it takes to start building. So start building, and with this community, I think you will have the support you need. You have people like Akosa there. These are very great minds. Emmanuel is there, Mariam. People can support you here, and they are good at what they are doing. So if you are feeling like you, if you just leave all those reasons you had that were making you not to build, and start building now,
Yeah.
because you are in the community that will support you. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, yeah, thank you, really, thank you.
Um,
I think I will. Now I have backup.
yeah, Angela, you're welcome. I think we better get you a slot to showcase probably some projects that you stopped working on, or you're excited and you're actively building. This is also a place for us to ensure that the projects we build don't stop, but people can pick interest and then add on them. Yes, as I've heard from Bwete, he was really saying that I'm good at front end, but I'm stuck. Like I've reached an end, so that's a good time for guys who are doing React or to come in, add on. Probably show him how to fetch data from APIs, maybe even fetch the flags, yeah, from maybe some APIs. All like we showcase the different ways we do it, so that even ourselves we can learn from each other. But yeah, I think it's a good thing. So the thing is, as Majai said, get building right now, because you're in a community of builders, and yeah, we value like building, and yeah, that's the value I think we can really bring initially to the community, and then we look at other value mechanisms. So Angela, do you have anything to say? It's the first time to see you in Discord. You're excited, and I don't know whether it's your network. Yeah. So if there is nothing else,
Pause it. Hello? I suppose another thing is that are you listening to me? Hello?
do you hear him?
Yeah, we can hear him.
Another thing, for me, I want to actually show my projects, all of them, and I think we end on that. So last week I was actually trying to create something from React because I was studying it. Maybe let me share my screen again, and you see. So I was trying to make some. It is like NFT collection something. Let me share. It's like an NFT collection, and the main purpose of it was to actually, like, if someone has an NFT, he can deposit it on such a platform so that people can view it and actually participate in like the buying and doing what and what some stuff. And let me first share my screen so that you can see. Yeah, can you see my screen? Is it visible? Okay, so the project looks like this. I made it from React. I see it's an NFT. So I wanted to name it like NFT marketplace, where someone can put his collection of tokens, as you can see here. So here I try to put here the trends. Though I told you for me I make like templates, so they lack a lot of logic. They need some logic. So here I put it like it's a trend. If someone has if they are trending NFTs, they can show up here at the trend. And our collection here, the purpose was to actually, like, if someone deposits his NFT, it goes here in our collection. And then we had some links here, though I didn't put anything in the background of the links. The platform, the products, company, AI about. So that was my another project apart from the converter that I actually made. Yeah, the codes are here. I don't know if I will also put this in the GitHub so that some people can help me to do the logic and other stuffs. Yeah, thank you very much. If there is someone adding on that or any feedback, I don't know.
Manuel, do you have any feedback? I think this is awesome. Backlog. These are really good ideas to
Yeah, the
pick
work
up.
is good.
Yeah, so the
The work
interfaces.
is really good, and
Yeah.
yeah, I would personally love to contribute,
Mm.
but it's until I came okay in this environment. There's something I'm actually learning about being a developer and contributing to people's projects. It's easy for someone to contribute on a project if it has moved milestones. Now, a project like this is easy to contribute on, but it should also be in a place where it's easy to contribute on, like maybe on GitHub. And yeah, I would definitely see the best that I can do to make it more functional. And also, I believe, Michael, we just need to take some time and learn JavaScript and see how to integrate it to make things move. Like he keeps saying,
To make it
they lack a
actually
lot of
move.
logic, but essentially what he means is very good. they lack the dynamic nature of our website. Yeah, I think we'll have time. We just need to organize ourselves, but otherwise this is really good work.
Yeah, sure. I think, yeah, this is good, like craftsmanship in design. For the big screen, probably you can now look at reducing for the small screens, then go step by step on backend. But with this, I think we can also, keep contributing uh, to give him the energy and also to create these projects. Now, instead of having a design, starting from this fundamental code, you can really, yeah, the idea cannot die. Like we can say, hey, I think let's begin from where we stopped on an NFT marketplace. Just talking about it, if you see the code on GitHub, it is easier, to, yeah, to push it further. Otherwise, I'm excited about today, and I think we can stop there. I don't know who is to take on tomorrow. I think from the list, as Moa just said, if Aaron is really interested in showcasing what he's working on, or if he's interested in supporting him, build the future of Web3, we are more than welcome to help. Otherwise, if there are no more questions, I can say have a good time. Anyone? Um, I think Manuel put something. What is your sentiment on this project review program? Yeah, so I think, yeah, we can go to the Telegram and really vote. Let's engage there. Yeah, I've seen that in Telegram. It is awesome. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and I think Tuesday we have Tracy. We are going to